They made that exception, don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got that ass to the floor.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with a Nadula. Today's package feel like a lot is going on. I'm so excited to get into it, so let's go. You know, we have the regular tote bag, which is branded. Everything is inside the Nadula drawstring bag. Usually, you guys know I got the Nadula robe. Love getting this. This is inside of the box. So I'm seeing the wig, which we're gonna get into. And then I got a number of goodies, so let's get into that. I got this next drawstring bag. Alright, and let's see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, they sent a lot of goodies today. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. So we got this comb. I feel like a good white tooth comb is so good to have in your hair equipment. Okay, I got this brush. And everything is branded Nadula, by the way. I got another one. So this one is more of like a paddle brush. You see the bristles on this? The bristles are more hard. Then this one is like a soft. It's like a mixture. So it got soft and hard bristles. And it's branded Nadula again. I love the design and everything. Wow. I got a branded Nadula rat tail comb. I got this. I got two of these, you know, clips. Then I got a pair of branded Nadula snap clips as well. That's everything that came in the drawstring bag here. Then I got another drawstring bag with a pair of their HD HD wig caps. I actually got two of those. Okay, so this is another one. Holy, okay. I got a whole pack of press-on nails that are so nicely shaped. Oh my gosh, you guys know I don't really wear pink much, but this is so light and muted. I might just give it a try. I don't know, we're gonna see, but this is really nice and neat. Wow, Nadula is just under zoom. I love it. I have this branded elastic headband. I got another elastic headband. Well, that one is a branded. This is pattern, a pattern one. This one is branded. Okay. Today's wig that we're working with, guys, this is Nadula's Pre-Everything Frontal Wig. It's a 13x4 lace front kinky straight wear and go wig. And you guys know these have been trending. Something that's so special about today's wig is that the lace that we're working with is a bye-bye knot type of lace. Everything is already pre-bleached. The lace is already pre-bleached and the lace is pre-cut. 13x4 lace run straight across. Now this is also a glueless wig, one of the upgraded full-on 13x4 glueless lace front wig, and I love it because it's very much beginner friendly. All right, it looks so natural. You can part this wherever you wish within the lace portion because you have that same 13x4 space from ear to ear. Okay, so I absolutely love that. The construction of the wig looks like this. So you have the loops within the cap where you can go ahead and apply your adjustable elastic band. This also came in the package, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. You have adjustable straps in the back, and they did add the non-slip silicone to the cap itself. Now they have the tapes on the ear portion here. This is what keep the side of the lace to stay laid on your head. Or else it would be flapping, because remember, this is an ear-to-ear lace front. So what they did is they also sent some extra tapes in the packaging. So I think that's really nice. Added one comb in the back, which really helps the back to stay really secure, and that's beautiful. I know once I go over this with my flat iron, it's gonna be so amazing. I'm gonna be sure to put the specific density in my description box. This is 24 inches long and it's a 1B color. Now let me show you the difference with this kind of lace that we're working with today. Let me show you guys the difference with the knots. As you can see, the one on the left, it's the normal knots, and as you can see, I brought this really close so you guys can see the difference. The normal knots, it's very visible, like you can see each dot. It's not as natural looking, doesn't look like it's coming from your scalp. While the patented bye-bye knots, it looks so realistic, like you barely can see the knots. I love this whole improved vibe. It's usually with the bye-bye knots, you don't have as much hairs going through one knot, and that's what makes it less visible. And they also bleach it really well, so that helps to really make things look even more natural. While with the normal knots, it's not bleached or anything at all. So I feel like the customization is so necessary, and that's why the bye-bye knots is definitely a win-win type of situation. I'm showing you this clip when you wet when the knots get wet, and it's just this is really just showing how natural the upgraded bye-bye knots construction is. I feel like it's super flawless if you're going for an occasion where you don't want to look like you're wearing a wig. It's just really timeless. For instance, it's a birthday, you're getting married, photo shoot, anything like that. I feel like this is the best choice type of lace to go with. Went ahead and attached the elastic band, and I also adjusted the straps in the back. Now we're just gonna slip this on. And you could tell right off the bat, based on how the lace looks, like the appearance of it, that it was bleached really well. Like, usually, you have to go in with your concealer in a lot of cases to make the parting more precise and stuff. I feel like it looks really good right off the bat. All you need to do is literally proceed to remove the blue portion of the tape, and that is what's going to be used to secure the side of the lace so it isn't like flappy. So I just press this in. You just want to take your time and kind of just take a little while to press it in to ensure that it's really laid properly. That's how it looks right after slipping it on. So I know you guys can see that it is casty, but that's an easy fix. All you need to do is just ensure you take some of your face powder, or you can use some foundation, whichever you prefer. I prefer something more lightweight, so I usually go for a powder, and I'm going to just tap that on to the portion that is casty, and already that looks really good. So see, it's not much hassle at all. I'll say the tapes on the side, if you're wondering, they're very secure. Okay, now something I like to do sometime after I do that is to go in with my elastic headband just to further like melt it down, even though there's no adhesive or anything on it. This is just a trick used to kind of press in the product a little bit more. Okay, what I'm gonna do in the meantime, while that's just pressing in the powder even more, is get my wax stick, and I'm going to also get my hot comb to get the top as laid. And then I'm just gonna run through the wig, the entire wig, thoroughly with my flat irons. guys to see how flawlessly this flat ironed. I told you, listen now, man. Listen, it is laying, okay? It is laying. I didn't have to apply any product to the lace or anything to, like, in terms of the parting, to make it look like scalp. It came like this. You guys saw it, and you see how the lace pressed in really nicely. You see that? You guys see that? That's the type of meltdown vibe I'm talking about, without absolutely any product. That's how strong the tapes on the sides are. The tapes on here, don't sleep on it, okay? It is strong. It is strong. Not to the point where it's gonna peel your skin off now. Don't get it twisted. But it's strong. Like, it has the wig on there. Let me do a shake test. The wig isn't going anywhere. It's not. Okay? And this comb came in so handy. Like, okay, so shedding, I am getting minimal shedding, just like a few strands. Like, it's really nothing serious, and it's just so nice and full and healthy looking. I know the girlies are loving this texture. Since recent times, this is the second time I'm doing this texture, specifically with this type of construction, and it's top tier. Okay, now remember, it's a full 13x4, so you can part it anywhere. You see that? And it looks like scalp. So if you want to do like a nice braided vibe in this with this wig, you can. All my beginners, tap in. Let me see you. Like, I know you guys are so happy for this. Like, let's talk in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this wig. I definitely highly recommend. It's giving, it's doing what it's supposed to do, and it's glueless. I feel like at this point, I should specialize in bringing you guys the best glueless wigs. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, the specifications, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Oh my gosh, Nadula, yeah. Big up you again. You did it. You did your big one. Love it. Yeah, so that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.